welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dust palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. The first shade that I used is the shade Sunset Rose, and it's a really light brown with a little bit of a warm undertone, and I picked it up with a big fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I went in with the shade Shade, and it's a really warm tone, kind of like an orange matte shade, and I just put that in my crease. And I used a defined angled brush just to map out where I want to add depth. And then I went back into the shade Sunset Rose, and I picked up the same fluffy blending brush that we first used, and I went over that line in circular motions and back and forth motions just to really blend it out. Next, I went back into Shade, and I started to add depth on my inner and outer lid, starting to create that halo effect, doing light tapping motions. And then I went back into the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I just cleaned up the very center part of the lid, kind of creating a cut crease only in the center part. And then I went in with some glitter. I went in with one from BH Cosmetics in the shade Soft or Smoky Gold, and then the glitter glue that I used is the NYX Glitter Primer, and I just applied that to the very center portion of my lid. And I absolutely love how it looks. And then I went in with the same exact glitter and glitter glue, and I started to apply the glitter in a straight line right where my lower lash line ends. And then when I take off the tape, as you guys can see, it's a really nice line. And then I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. I really like these lashes because even though they are on the longer side and really flirty and dramatic, you can see completely through them, so all the work that you did on the eyeshadow will still show. So I like that even though it's a little bit more of a dramatic lash, it can still be very wearable. And then going in with the first transition shade, applying it to the lower lash line from inner corner to outer corner, and then going in with Shade, and I'm applying it with a defined angled brush so I can get really close to my lash line. And then I went in with the same transition shade to blend that out. And typically when doing a halo, I would do the same halo type of look on the lower lash line, but because we have that glitter line at the end, I did want to keep it pretty simple. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!